Let's talk about hooking up your sewer hose when you get to the campsite. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to locate your sewer cap drain. It will look very similar to this, and you would simply twist and pull to remove the sewer cap cover. Once the sewer cap cover is removed, you would then replace the cover with your sewer hose. Let's hook a sewer hose up. So this is a pretty standard sewer hose kit, and the sewer hose kit twists lock on just like the cap does. So you'll simply place the sewer hose over the tabs that are on the exit point, and you will twist it until it locks into place. The other end of the sewer hose will go into the ground at the dump station. Once you've secured all of that, you would then be able to open the dump valves. There will be at least two. You'll have a black tank valve, and the black tank valve will be for your sewer, your toilet primarily, and you'll have a gray tank valve. The gray tank valve will be for things like your shower and your vanity stations. So to pull the valve, you simply grab the handle after you've made sure that the hose is hooked and connected to the ground, and you pull outward on the handle. Once you open the valve, the waste will come out the hose and into the ground. When you're done dumping, and you'll know you're done because the waste will stop traveling through the hose. So once that waste is stopped, you'll simply grab the valve body handle and push inward to put it back in place. And you'll do the same thing for your gray tank drain valve. Your gray tank drain valve is typically marked with a gray handle rather than a black handle, like this one here. And you'll do the same thing. You'll grab this handle and pull it outward. Once it's done draining, you will push it back into place to ensure that no water or sewage is coming out of that drain pipe until you open the valves. So it's very important also to make sure that you leave those valve bodies closed. You don't want to leave them open. Leaving them open allows a lot of the solids to stay in the tank and only the liquids coming out, which could clog and back up the system. So it's very important when you're camping, valve bodies stay shut. Once the tanks are full, you'll come outside and pull the handles like I showed you to get all of the waste out. Once it's empty, you'll shut those valve bodies back and continue using the camper.